A recent survey by BCG found that almost 9 out of 10 company leaders say AI and generative AI are top priorities for the upcoming period. But here's the surprising part. In a recent industry report, more than half of the procurement directors said they don't know where to start when it comes to adopting AI in their teams. It's not just about training people, it's about understanding what AI can actually do in procurement and how to apply it in real processes like sourcing, contract management, and risk analysis. That's exactly what we'll explore in this lesson. We know adopting a new way of working may be a handful, and you might not know where to start. To make it easier, we've created a simple template you can use to build your own AI adoption strategy. We'll go through it step by step, and I'll explain what each part means and what kind of questions you should ask yourself as you fill it in. By the end, you'll have a clear and practical starting point for bringing AI into your work. So, let's start. Before anything, it's important you identify areas where AI can be used to help with your work. In the first column, AI use case, think about a specific area of your procurement work where you would like to bring in AI. This could be something like categorizing spend data, reviewing supplier contracts, or monitoring supplier risks. You're naming the process or task that you want to enhance with AI. Here are some suggestions on how you can identify these use cases. Look for automation opportunities. Identify processes suitable for automation to improve efficiency and reduce operational costs. Focus on repetitive tasks, data-heavy operations, or areas with high error rates where AI can have a significant effect. Conduct an internal assessment. Gather input from various teams within your procurement department to identify challenges and inefficiencies that AI could address. Gather stakeholder feedback. Use feedback from different kinds of stakeholders you engage with daily to uncover use cases that would have an impact on their satisfaction when automated with AI. Next, in the goals column, describe your broader intention. Why are you doing this? What's the overall aim? This could be to automate a time-consuming task, reduce risks in your supply chain, or improve employee efficiency. In the objectives column, get a little more specific. Here, you explain what change you want to see from this AI project. For example, if your goal is to automate contract reviews, your objective might be to reduce the time it takes to complete a review. Now, the success metrics column is where you define how you measure if your AI adoption is working. These should be clear, quantitative metrics, things you can count or track. For instance, you might aim to increase the accuracy of spend categorization to 95% or reduce tail spend by 30%. In the AI approach column, describe the type of AI you think you'll need. Will you use natural language processing to read documents, or machine learning to detect supplier risks, or generative AI to answer employee procurement questions? The AI solution column is where you'll put which AI tool you'll be using for this project. Options can include ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Claude, or any other AI tool. Then, in a data needs column, think about what data the AI needs to do its job. For example, if you want to automate contract analysis, you'll need access to your historical contracts and legal clauses. Be as specific as possible about the data sources. For the skills needs column, write down what skills your team or collaborators will need. Do you need someone with machine learning expertise or someone who understands procurement taxonomies? Maybe a legal expert to help with document review? In cost factors, briefly describe what kind of cost model this AI initiative might involve. Will it be based on how much you use the tool, usage-based? Is it a fixed subscription, or are there infrastructure and development costs to consider? The AI data strategy column is about how you'll manage and protect your data. This might include setting rules for data quality, privacy, and fairness. For instance, you might want to make sure that the data used to train the AI is regularly updated and compliant with company policies. Lastly, the responsible AI strategy is about accountability and ethical use. Who is responsible for making sure the AI is used properly? What steps will you take to prevent bias or ensure the system is used fairly, especially when decisions affect suppliers or employees? Now that you understand each part of the template, you're ready to start creating your own AI adoption strategy, one that's tailored to the real needs and challenges in your procurement work. Use this template as a living document, something you can revisit, update and refine as you learn more and as your needs evolve. In the next step, we'll transition to more of the people side of work. We will discuss how to get your team members on board when it comes to this transition. See you there.